Okay, I'm Fazli. I am a trainee realtor. Mm, I have known Hussam from BNI. Uh, so I decided to join your team. So he has immediately given me this educational slot. The wise men invest in their money in real estate. It is still the safest investment in the world. Franklin Roosevelt, former wartime president of USA. So I would like to ask some of you rhetorically, what is a real estate? So a real estate is something that can be touched. It is a land plus home or the building. There is a value on the land and building. This is real estate. Also, it can be a land with natural resources like crops, livestock, water, minerals, and etc. And just an empty land, just an empty land, bare land is not a real estate. It can be called a property. So this is just for me to know. Today, what I am going to talk about is the lockdown effect on real estate. This is the relevant topic for the time. We know the COVID-19 has caused the biggest recession in the history of all economic downfalls in 1918, 1930s, in 2009. In 2009 downfall, I personally experienced this. I was in Dubai, so I have some personal knowledge how downfall happens and how to recover. So the unemployment will be highest during this time. There are many businesses that won't recover, including real estate. Loss of income will cause defaults of rentals, mortgage payments. The commercial real estate may have one of the biggest defaulters, like people may not pay rents. So many businesses are going to be gone for good. Some people will hold on as long as possible. We do not know how long. There will be a big drop in housing prices. It is estimated the drop will be 20, 30, 40% in real estate prices, especially in the Asian region. This is what happened in previous downturns as well. Now we see an opportunity. It is time to buy. Sellers are going to become desperate. They may have a big loan to pay, they may have cash crunch. It's best to tell your investors and ask them to put their idle money now in real estate. The government is definitely going to print a lot of money, causing inflation. Money value is certainly going to go down. So putting that money in other investments is not a wise idea now. So it's better to put money on depreciated land, building, or housing. It is the best option. In another 1 or 2 years, when things recover, the investor is going to get a good return. The buying and selling can move to online platforms nowadays. So it's important to understand the role of technology. In Sri Lanka, we don't have the figures, but I found out in India, some online brokerage has done deals worth more than 400 crore during lockdown periods. There is a big demand for small size ready to move units. Today's market is a buyer's market. The probability of extracting major discounts are high. So there is an opportunity to get really wealthy at this crisis. Sell land to landlords, buy houses near big districts and towns, buy and hold investment. Since rents can fall cheaper, rental housing will be available. So house brokers may be able to offer houses at lower rents, and people occupying high rents may tend to move. So what are the kind of properties that are going to be in demand? People are going to be wary about transport. They would favor areas where they could live, work, and play. People may go for mixed type of properties, malls with housing and hotel facilities and shops. Because one type of building, like a hotel only, if it is closed, they don't have any other income. Because this time, it's a health related recession. Unlike other days where you can pump money and recover, this time it is health related. So just pumping money alone into the economy may not ease the crisis. A lot of people may get sick, but the humanity is going to exist. Not all of us are going to die. So the realtors have to be creative now. Properties that meets the needs of our behavior is still going to be in demand. The importance of owning private sanctuaries highlighted as never before. We could see people, rich people like Salman Khan, all going into hideouts. So these kind of properties are going to be in demand. The importance of virtual tour to answer any bias questions. People are not going to come or personally meet very often. So now is the time to appraise accurate value of the properties again. The properties have to be valued again. The former values may be irrelevant. Because there is a lot of time we have now, we can use this time to widen our search for opportunities. In conclusion, I would like to say that it is time, good time to look for opportunity, but not a good time to take risks. I advise you or request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a like. Thank you very much.